What is an oxygen sensor? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, an oxygen sensor or an O2 sensor, basically what it does is it screws into the exhaust. So like here's a piece of an exhaust, screws in here, and I don't know if you can see it sticking through, but regardless, this is what it looks like. And what it does is it measures the difference in oxygen from outside of the exhaust and the inside of the exhaust. And the computer uses that data to determine air-fuel ratios and whether it needs to add fuel or reduce it, and also whether the catalytic converter is working or not. Now that's a general term, oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, but also they can be air-fuel ratio sensors. They're a little bit different in exactly how they work, but they all basically do the same thing. They tell the computer what is the fuel mixture. So that's what an oxygen sensor or O2 sensor or air-fuel ratio sensor is. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.